How to turn off vibration for text messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of Sound and Haptics. Here you're going to find this section of ringtone, text tone, new voicemail and many more. Here towards the option of text tone. At the very top you'll see the option of haptics. Open it. Now from here you can easily turn off vibration for text messages. Here you're going to find different options. Likewise at the very end you will find the option of none. Check in for that option. Just for that you have disabled vibration for text messages on iPhone. Likewise head back. If you also want to turn off the notification for the text, you can set it to none. Likewise head back. If you do want to turn off vibration for these options, you can just open it, head towards the option of haptic and set it to none. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily turn off vibration for text messages on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.